All right, this is just kind of a classic demonstration that gets done a lot to show reactivity in different elements. We're going to be working with alkali metals here. We're going to be having lithium, sodium, and potassium and watching them interact with water. This is lithium, so when I put that in water, you can see that it bubbles around a little bit and pops and fizzes, and what it's doing there is it's reacting with the water molecules, and you can see possibly a little bit of the gas that's coming off there. That's hydrogen gas being released from the water, and then of course the lithium ions are now becoming dissolved in the water there, and this water is slowly becoming basic now as we're changing some of that water into OH. Give that a second to finish here. Maybe get them away from the side there a little bit so we can see them a little better. Out here in the middle. All right, he's just about done. Okay, so yeah, see, he's just about finished up there. Stuck on my tongs now. Okay, now we're going to move down one period and we're going to go to sodium. This is sodium metal. All right, and we're going to see how it reacts with water. And you can see that that is a little bit more aggressive, shall we say. I'm gonna put this other piece in there too, just so we can see two of those guys humming around there. Same thing's happening in the water, it's just now we're a little bit more aggressive in the reaction. You can see all the hydrogen gas that we're making there. And they're cranking away there. Now, see, when they touch together like that, they merge into one ball, and now they're cruising around, bouncing off the sides and reacting. It'd be kind of an interesting little trail in the water as they go there. And again, we're just turning the water basic because we're taking some of its hydrogens and releasing it out there as that gas. Should be wrapping up pretty quick here. Okay, he went a little bit long because he merged. Oh, there we go. I broke them apart into two balls there. Now I'll go a little bit faster, unless they stick back together. Brilliant. Just about done. Okay, now as he's just finishing up his last little bit there, we're going to take one more step down the periodic table, and that's going to get us to potassium. Now for potassium, I'm going to back us off just a little bit here, just so that we're a little bit further away here. Not too much, but this is potassium, K. And you can see that's a much more aggressive reaction there, enough to ignite some of that hydrogen. That's where we got the flames and everything from, and you can see that that one went very quickly there. So we're just demonstrating there the periodic trends that as we go down the periodic table on the metal side, we're going to become more reactive.